The election's over and the property market is the clear winner. With record low interest rates, it's the best time in decades to get ahead financially. Are you a first home buyer or a first time investor looking to get into the market? It's about to get a whole lot easier. Is the finance market out there making your journey more difficult? Accelerate your success through free education with Australia's most trusted real estate brand on the 11th and 12th of June on the Gold Coast. Your free tickets to this life-changing event are just a click away right below. Click it, join us. We'd love to see you there. We love property and we think you will too. Hi, I'm Richard Waldron from First National Real Estate. Over the past 6 years, we've helped accelerate the property journeys for thousands of Australians with our national, free property investment and finance masterclass program. Great education with no strings attached. No properties to buy, no courses to buy, just free drinks, CANAPÉS, and great property and finance education. Our masterclass program is perfect for first home buyers, first time investors, or advanced investors with large portfolios looking to optimize in the coming market conditions. Learn a proven formula for success that's de-risked property investment for thousands of attendees over the past 6 years. Looking to find the perfect property in the right market? We're going to show you the secrets of timing and how to get that right. Here at First National, we love property and we think you should too. Hope to see you on the 11th and 12th on the Gold Coast. Catch you then.